Welcome to Franktown, Colorado, where dreams become reality and opportunities abound. Nestled amidst the picturesque landscapes, these 12 amazing lots, brought to you by the Colorado Masters, Tyler and Jim Wanzeck, offer a unique chance to embrace the beauty of nature. Each lot boasts 35 or more unparalleled views of Pikes Peak and overlooks the expansive Douglas County open space, creating a serene haven for your future home.
Hi, we're at Tannins Ridge right now in one of our unique lots of 12 that we're offering. This lot particularly has mountain views, has rock outcroppings, has fantastic tranquility, and an opportunity for you to have your own canyon. So really take a look at this one, it's fantastic.
Franktown holds a rich history, once echoing with the excitement of the Gold Rush era. Franktown has stood as a testament to Colorado's golden heritage. Although the bustling days have passed, the essence of the past lingers, merging seamlessly with the modern charm of Franktown. The town's rustic charm, characterized by the scent of pine trees and vast open spaces, offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle.
Here we are at the back of one of our lots. From Russellville to the very back of the lot, you have close to a half of a mile to work with. Here you're looking out to Pikes Peak views and open space.
Conveniently located 45 miles from Denver and 55 miles from Colorado Springs, Franktown strikes the perfect balance between urban accessibility and rural serenity. It's more than a location, it's a lifestyle. Here you can build the home of your dreams, where the whispering pines and the endless sky become your everyday companions.
We're here at another one of our lots. This lot has some of the highest elevation of any of our 35 acres. And behind us you can see some of the best views of Pikes Peak.
Now is the time to turn your vision into reality. These open lots offer a canvas for your Colorado dream home, with flexible building options that cater to your unique preferences. With the expertise of the Colorado Masters, Tyler and Jim Wanzeck, this opportunity is unparalleled. Embrace the spirit of Franktown, embrace the beauty of nature, and make your dream home a reality. Your Colorado adventure begins here. Discover the magic of Franktown. Your dream home awaits.